Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect ChatGPT to Zapier in 2024. So by integrating ChatGPT with Zapier, you can automate responses, streamline workflows, and maybe also enhance your productivity. So let's dive into the step-by-step process or tutorial to get these tools working together. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. All you need to do, just go and type zapier.com and hit the enter button. Of course, you would like to go also to chats.openai.com. And if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, make sure to go and create one. Very easy to create. So make sure to create it. So the same will be for Zapier. If you don't have an account yet, go to this login option, click on it to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up to create an account. You can use Google, Facebook, or Microsoft, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in, and Google for creating your account. If you just created your account, you'll get 14 days of free, like premium features for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's not a free trial. So you'll be able just to use premium feature for free for 14 days. So for me, I'll just go back here and click on login with Google or continue with Google. I'll choose my first account right here. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences. So basically all the informations that you don't have to fill up by your own, Google will share with it. So you can just go and read the privacy policy in terms of service if you want to. For me, I'll just go and click on continue. And in here, I should be logged in into my account right away. And here, of course, the first thing that we'll need to do is simply go to this list panel and click on apps right here. Here, we would like to go and search for ChatGPT. So just type chat and you'll find ChatGPT right here. So all you need to do, just go and click on connect. Once you click on connect, of course, you'll be taken here. So you'll be required one thing, and this is just optional. So the first one is API key. You will need to go and create an API key and paste the key below. Keys will start with SK this minus. And if you get an error, you may have reached your OpenAI usage limits. To view your limits, of course, you can go to OpenAI balance annex. And of course, you will need, or if you want, you can also add your organizational ID. If your OpenAI account belongs to multiple organization, optionally add the organization ID that this connection should use. If it's blank, your default organization will be used. So for me, I'll just go to click on create an API key so they can take me exactly into that place. So as you can see here, I'll just go and click on login to authenticate, of course, that. Click on continue with Google, choose my account, and I should be logged in right away. So all I need to do now is go and create your API key. For me, I'll just go and create one. Why not? Of course, we'll have to give it a name. For me, I'll just name it Zapier because we'll use for Zapier. For the project, of course, you can leave it on default projects. For permissions, you can restrict some permissions. You can give it just read only or all. I'll suggest you to give it all, especially for Zapier, especially if you're trying to connect or automate a lot of stuff. So we would like to give all the permissions to ChatGPT or to Zapier. Of course, you can choose service account if you're going to use that as example, but for me, I'm just going to do you because it's me. Then go and click on create this security key. So once it's created, of course, I'll just go and copy it. For me, it's fine if it shows because I'll just go and delete it afterwards. And yeah, go back in here, open that again, paste that key right there, then click on yes, continue to ChatGPT. Once I do so, as you can see, the connection should be established. And as you can see, this is the connection. So I'll just go and delete this one because I used another API key in there and I deleted it already, which I will do the same for here. I'll delete it after this video. So basically now, ChatGPT is already connected to Zapier. So what you can do now is start connecting stuff together using Zapier. So if you go to this list panel and click on create, then click on Zaps, here you'll be taken here. You can use this AI tool, which will help you a lot creating your shits, your automation. Sorry. So here's an example. You can just go and try to connect like chats GPT with, I don't know, maybe with Slack. I'll just go and try to connect with that. So as you can see, I'll just wait for Copilot to create some zaps for me. Of course, for you can do it manually and create the trigger and actions by your own. For me, I'm not willing to do that. I'll just go and use this AI tool, which will help me do so. For example, here, custom GPT. So I did not choose ChatGPT specifically. I'll just go and change that. Or I'll just choose ChatGPT as the action. What should I do? I'll just let it as trigger. Let's see what trigger it has already. So yeah, it seems like it has no trigger. That's why it was not chosen as a trigger. So let me just go and change Slack as the trigger, and then GPT or as the action, or ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, no trigger available as well. So it seems like there's no trigger available, maybe just for the free option. But let me just go back. Can I just hit the Control Z? Okay, can I go back in this? I'll just go and type that back in here. Maybe just go and remove this. And let me just try to use the same things. So yeah, I'll just add this in here. So yeah, I'll just go and choose new message. What about accounts? So how can we connect that? Is it the same as ChatGPT? So just go and click on that. No, it's not. So anyway, I show you the most important parts. I just try to show you how to connect some stuff with that, but it seems like it has no trigger at the moment, maybe just for free option. For you, the most important part is that you connect ChatGPT to Zapier in 2024, which is very easily, as we did. And yeah, it should not be a problem, right? So that should be it, I guess. Yeah, I've connected, and yeah, that should be it for me today. So thank you for watching. If you have any problem, you can leave it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.